Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you why I've been loving these eye masks by BeeVines. Check out this Mulberry Silk Sleep Eye Mask by BeeVines. This is an adjustable strap eye mask. It's super comfortable, and I love that there's two of them that come in the package. This is perfect because my husband and I love using these whenever we're napping or whenever we're traveling or sleeping at night, and this prevents us from fighting over it. I love how soft and gentle this is on your eyes, and I really like how it fits the nose bridge perfectly. It puts no pressure and it improves greatly your sleep quality. I highly recommend these. These are very effective. They block out the light and they are also breathable. This silk eye mask by BeeVines comes in many different colors. They're all beautiful, and something I really love about this is that it's super affordable as well. So if you're looking for high quality eye masks that are very affordable, definitely check these out, and that's my point of view.